guys, so there are so many hair textures out there, from kinky to curly to wavy to straight. And with all those different hair textures, you have to have specific ways to take care of the hair. You have to have unique hair tips. I mean, you wouldn't treat or take care of oily hair like you would dry hair, right? So today is the first part of a 3-part series that I'm going to do on how to care for Afro hair. We're going to break it down into daily hair care tips, weekly hair care tips, and monthly hair care tips. And today's video is daily care for Afro hair. I'm Rolandine Vaughn of Naturally You Hair Products, where our passion is supplying you with all natural, moisturizing hair products that contain 100% natural ingredients. We're talking about ingredients that you can recognize and that you can pronounce. Ingredients that will promote healthy hair growth without compromising your overall health. So if you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications so you can get more healthy hair tips. All the links mentioned in this video will be in the description box below, and don't forget to stay until the end of the video where I will share with you the daily hair care tips that I use consistently. So let's jump straight into it. We're going to talk about 5 daily hair care tips. Number 1, you want to cover your hair when you sleep. So when I say cover, specifically I mean using the fabric of silk or satin. So you can use satin or silk scarves, but if you're one of those people that are kind of wild when you sleep and you come out of your scarf, you can also opt to use satin or silk pillowcases when you sleep. Number 2, misting your hair. So on a daily basis, you want to mist your hair. And when I say mist, I mean just that, more of a fine mist, not drenching your hair with water. But you do want to use water, or you can use a leave-in conditioner that has water in it. In fact, this is one of the major parts of the LCO or LOC method to bring and keep moisture in your hair. So L is for leave-in conditioner, O is for oil, and C is for cream. But I will link a recommended video in the description box below for you to view. Number 3. Put your hair up in a pineapple at nighttime. So you are covering your hair with satin or silk scarves, but I don't want to say using a pineapple because you're going to think I'm talking about the fruit. But putting your hair up in a pineapple using satin or silk scarf, what that does, it prevents tangles, and it also prevents hair breakage, because of course once your hair is tangled, you trying to detangle it dry is never a good option. In fact, I'm also going to link a video in the description box below about putting your hair up in a pineapple also. So number 4, you want to retwist your hair. So if your hair is not already in 2-strand twists or in braids, and you've been rocking a wash and go, a twist out, or a braid out, at nighttime you want to loosely twist or plait your hair. And it doesn't have to be a lot of plaits or twists. All you need to do is maybe section your hair in 2 to 3 sections and do some loose plaits or twists, and that will definitely prevent tangles and prevent hair breakage, and will lock in the moisture that you have in your hair. 5, you want to do scalp massages. So scalp massages are just that, massaging your scalp. And what that does is increases blood circulation to the scalp to allow for more hair growth. Now you can do this while you're watching TV, while you're watching a movie, while you're at the computer, and take one hand and just scalp massage while you're thinking. But it really doesn't take a lot to incorporate this into your daily routine. I will also link a video for scalp massages in the description box below. So as promised, the daily hair care tips that I use for my Afro hair is number 1, I mist my hair. on a daily basis. So instead of using water, I use our Naturally You leave-in conditioner, which is a fine mist spray that has water in it, but it's also paired with vitamin E and aloe vera and lavender, things of that nature. Now, after I remix my hair or mist my hair, I lock in that conditioning with our Naturally moisturizer that has like shea butter and Jamaican black castor oil and grapeseed and other things in it, right? And what that does, it kind of X out for me the O of the LOC method, because my leave-in conditioner has some oils in it, and also my moisturizer has some oils in it. So working together, I don't even need to add an extra oil. So I guess I just use the LC method for my misting of my hair. Now, piggybacking on those products, I also use those two products for retwisting my hair at night. So if I have a twist out or braid out, kind of like what I have now, what I would do is use that fine mist of the Naturally You leave-in conditioner, and then I will apply the moisturizer and then put maybe about 2 big twists in my hair and tie it down with a satin scarf, and then I'm done. Now, the third thing that I always do is our scalp massages. Now, I don't do my scalp massages daily, transparent moment, but I do them weekly. And when I do them weekly, I'm using Naturally You scalp oil that is packed with oils to promote hair growth, like Jamaican black castor oil, grapeseed oil, coconut oil. I mean, the list goes on and on. Extra virgin olive oil. So it's great, light, not heavy, but light, to help nourish my scalp and promote hair growth. Click the Naturally You link below to order your 100% authentic natural hair care products that can help you with these daily hair care tips for Afro hair. You can also read up on our products and customer testimonials on our website. I really hope this video helped you. And if you have any hair questions or hair comments, just leave them in the comment section below and we'll talk about them. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you can get more healthy hair tips. See you in the next video, and thank you so much for watching.